In my opinion, a better way to share your slideshow is as a presentation. And this involves publishing your presentation, your slideshow. And that starts by going to File and Publish to the Web. And here the following menu pops up. We're simply looking for a link. But before we do that, we can identify how we wish this presentation to be presented. This will, by default, set up the slides to move every few seconds or up to a minute. I typically use every minute so that people can still opt to go through it at their own pace. Do I want to start the slideshow as soon as the player loads? I leave that option open to the user. Do I want it to restart or loop? Well, that depends if it's being used to be presented in an idle format, presentation format. I'm happy with the selections made. I'm now going to copy this. And essentially I'm done. I need to go now back to my slide presentation where I can insert my URL, which is packed with all kinds of information in here. Take with bold and probably reduce the size of it here. There we go. And we're done.